welcome. My name is Aleisha and this is Project Vegan. Let's get baking. Alright, to get started, we are going to create a vegan buttermilk. Vegan buttermilk is 1 cup of plant-based milk. Add in a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and give that a mix. Then set aside and wait until it curdles. Place 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of whole wheat flour, a tablespoon of yeast, half a teaspoon of sugar and a tablespoon of baking powder, teaspoon of salt, 4 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of herbs of your choice, and then mix to combine. A KitchenAid or a stand mixer makes this recipe much easier, but it's not required. I'm going to be using one though. To your dry ingredients, add a 1/4 cup of oil and approximately 4/5 of your buttermilk mixture. 1/4 cup of oil, buttermilk. Now I knead. Once the dough has nice round or smooth edges like this, you're going to lightly oil the edges of your bowl and the top of your dough. I like to give it a little spin around like this. Make sure I get it absolutely everywhere. Cover with a damp tea towel and leave in a warm place for up to 2 hours until the dough is doubled in size. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you're enjoying this content and you want some more simple, easy, vegan baking recipes, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Give this video a like. Anything helps at all, and I'll see you in the next step. Okay, so about 15 minutes before you take your dough out, you want to preheat the oven to about 250 degrees Celsius on fan bake. Mine is ready because it bounces back and it's nice and soft to the touch. I'm going to be splitting my dough in half, just like so, and making 2 separate bread rolls. Then I'm going to break it into 3 more sections like this, roll them out, and then I like to connect mine all together like this. This is probably not the proper technique. Then just do a simple braid, like so. Once I reach the ends, I smush them all together and go underneath like that, and just push it down so it doesn't untie. That is one of my 2 braids done and dusted. Do the exact same thing with the other side. There we go. Mine are not particularly even, but that's alright. I'm now going to put my toppings on. This side I'm going to do rosemary, so fresh chopped rosemary. I'm going to try and get it in the little cracks too. Also going to do some garlic powder. And the other one I'm going to do dry parsley, some oregano, and just a couple of rosemaries as well. I'm now going to drizzle them in a little bit of oil, and into the oven they go at 250 for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you have to turn the heat back down to 180 Celsius and continue to bake for about half an hour. The higher temperature at the beginning is just to help with the dough, with the color of the dough and make it a little bit browner. You can completely skip that step if you want. Otherwise just bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. And just like that, we're all done. You can hear that noise. That sounds so good, and same with the other one. But they're nice and brown on the bottom as well. That's because I had the oven on fan bake. We're going to give it a go. See the inside? Still nice and moist. They're still quite warm. Hot even, but... As always, tastes great as well. 10 out of 10 recommend. Recipe will be linked in the description box below. And that is all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed making artesian or herb and garlic bread with me. It is absolutely delightful. I have made it before actually in my Cook for Christmas with Me video, which I will link in the information card up the top there. I'll also link a playlist of other sweet treats that I've made if you want to keep watching. I've also made some really nice cupcakes which are part of that sweet baking or sweet treats playlist. please hit that subscribe button and consider following me for more simple, easy vegan baking recipes. And with that, all that said, I'll see you in the next video.